We get some really disappointing jobs to see in here, people suffering from. This thing's had some bodgy DPF put in it. All these brackets are all homemade. Sensors put in on wrong positions, and a really noisy turbo. And it's going to end up costing thousands and thousands of dollars, all because some butcher's done something wrong and they haven't fixed it properly. Let's have a listen to this turbo. So one new turbo coming up, and getting back to a factory DPF. It's got all sorts of codes, can't do burns. God knows what this aftermarket or replacement DPF's done. I mean, there's special flow rates and all sorts of things in this high technology stuff. So these little bodgy replacement parts just don't seem to stack it up we see every day. Please be warned. You can see more of these videos. Keep watching our Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, or look us up at berrimadiesel.com, where you can find out more about looking after and fixing your diesel properly.